Hi, my name's Darren Briggs, John Banks Hyundai in Cambridge. Here I'm going to show you a quick video on how to re-inflate your tyre should the tyre inflation warning light symbol appear up on your dashboard. So to check the correct tyre pressure of your tyres, inside the driver's door on the trim there, you've got the tyre pressure dependent upon weight of passengers as to what the pressure should be. So in the boot, you come round to the boot, the floor, the base of the boot is where you will find the tyre inflation kit. Within that tyre inflation kit, you've got the pump, along with the tyre sealant. You've got the pump. The instructions are on the front of the instrument. You plug this end. You screw the cap on, and then at the back there you've got the cable that will simply plug into the 12 volt that you've got mains charge in the boot, but you've also got it by your air conditioning unit. Plug that in. You must turn the engine on to give power to the unit, and that will then inflate the tyre pressure by flicking this button here on. So we've now screwed the cap onto the end of the tyre. We're going to plug the 12 volt into the boot of the car, securely in, and then on the front, and that will indicate the pressure pressure of the tyre, and you just obviously keep checking that against the pressure that is shown on the inside trim of the door. So when it gets to the correct setting, you just switch it back off again with the off button, unplug it, unscrew it, pack it away, and there we are, off your back on your travels. Thank you for watching. My name's Darren Briggs. Any questions, give me a call, 01 223 272 786. Many thanks.